Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. Today I actually have an affordable find. I went shopping on SHEIN not too long ago and I got a lot of stuff for the holidays. So I want to try them on and give you guys an overall review of everything that I got. Of course, everything is super affordable. This is everything that I got. And just for reference, I am 5'1" and I weigh 145 pounds. Most of the things that I got are gonna be a size small or medium. This is the first shirt. It's really cute, but it is see-through. It has a lot of little details like the collar, a little frilly collar, and then we do have the same type of frills on the sleeve, and it has a long slit here, so it comes up like this. And then after that, it's just open. I think it's really cute, especially for the price. Cute. I got it in a size small. So this sweater I got in as small. I think I got it in small, but either way, it's super cute. It's kind of like oversized crop type sweater. Super comfortable. It's not itchy at all. Material feels really good. Sweater, like, it has a collar to it. Yeah, this sweater is so cute. No complaints at all. No complaints. So next shirt is this oversized shirt here. It is supposed to be oversized, but I feel as though I could have got one size smaller. It's really cute though. Like, I really see the potential in it, but it's just, I don't know, it's something about it. I think if I would have got it a little bit smaller, but for me, I just don't really care for it that much. It's kind of cute, but it's not that cute. Like, I honestly don't want this. The material is really thick though. It's a really thick material. I think you could make this shirt work. You just have to put, you just have to iron it and then cinch it in the right way. So if you have an idea for this outfit, you could definitely make it work. But me, I'm just trying something, so I'm gonna move on to the next one because I don't too much care for this one. So this outfit is so cute. I was so excited to even try this skirt on. The material of this skirt is like it's like a pleather kind of material. It has the studs all the way down and then a split in the back. It's not stretchy at all, and it doesn't feel too cheap. Even though it's like a pleather material, it looks kind of suede, so it doesn't have that overly shiny kind of leather, fake leather look. And the shirt, I love a super low cut shirt, so this is right up my alley. I was a little scared that the arms would be too tight up in here because it is a blouse, but it actually fits really nice. It's a little bit stretchy, just a tad bit. It's not stretchy along the sleeves, so it does have the making for the underarms to be too tight. Okay, so the next thing that I got is this bubble skirt. And to be honest, I don't even know if I like bubble skirts, but I just have to try one out for myself. It's tight at the bottom here, so it feels pretty secure. I don't feel like my butt cheeks are gonna come out. I know that was a complaint for bubble skirts. I like it, but it has to be styled like really cute. I feel like the bubble skirt is just a style that's not really me, but it is cute. For this next shirt here, I can already tell that it doesn't look how it looked online. It does kind of shed, so I already know that I do not like this shirt. Ooh, and it's tight. Oh my goodness. No. I mean, this is cute, but it's not what I wanted at all. And it is too tight. With it on, it's not ugly, but it's just too much with it, and I don't like that it sheds. It's just too tight. Maybe if I got a bigger size, I would like it. It's not that bad, it's just too tight. And then I think for me, it does look a little too cheap to where I don't like it. I know on SHEIN though, you do get what you pay for, but this one, I was hoping it would be a little bit better, and I don't really like it. I just don't like that it's shedding so much. Like, it is a lot of little feathers here on the floor, so it's definitely something that I couldn't wear out. But it was a cute idea. It would have been really cute if it was a little better quality. Now I have this cute sweater. I can definitely see this on a night out with friends. This is so cute with some cute little boots. It's nice and cozy. It's nice and cozy. This is not shedding, which is perfect. Well, a little bit, but not too much. Really cute. And then of course it does, I'm not gonna open it, but it does open up. It has just like a little latch hook here. So of course, if you have a sweater on underneath, you can wear it open or closed. But it's definitely a cute sweater, something you could dress up or wear casually. So I have the classic Christmas red one right now, and the back is completely out in the sweater. Really cute. And it zips all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. Really cute. Ooh, I love it. This is so cute. This will be a perfect like holiday sweater, and you don't have to show as much cleavage, and it's still cute. This actually feels really good. It's not itchy. The material is really nice, really warm and snuggly. Fits really well. And I think I got this in a medium as well. This one I'm just trying the top on for you. I don't like it with the skirt at all. So I just want to show you the top. It's actually really cute, really nice. I think I got this in a medium. Yeah, it's really cute. The material is very stretchy and nice. It's like breathable material. It's pretty like cool. It doesn't feel, it feels kind of good high. It feels good quality is what I'm trying to say. Feels really good quality. Only thing that I will say is that the bra, like top portion, is not supportive at all. And it's not really a top that you could wear a bra with. So just keep that in mind. If you do have a larger chest than I do, I feel like it might be kind of hard because this has no support. There's more support right here than there is in the bottom part, which I feel like you would kind of need to like, you know, but nonetheless, it's a cute top. This one I was really excited for, but it doesn't really look exactly how I thought it would. It feels really comfortable. And for some reason I thought it was gray, but it feels really comfortable. I just wish that it looked a little different in this area. It's like, I wish it was tighter in this area, but I like that it's looser up top. But it is ribbed. I know a lot of people don't like ribbed materials. It is ribbed. It is like a fuzzy kind of sweater material too, and it is see-through. Unfortunately, it's see-through, so you would have to wear like a slip underneath, but it's kind of casual and cute. It has this hood in the back. I really want to like this dress, but I don't like it that much. It's like just something is missing from it, but it's a cute idea. It's kind of cute. It is kind of cute, but it's just not cute enough in my opinion. I really wanted to love this dress, but unfortunately I do not like it. It's not made well at all, and the material is just really bad. It's a cute cut of a dress, but it just looks like fabric. It doesn't look like a dress. I don't know. It's just not cute to me. It's not fitted where it should be fitted like this, you know. It's just kind of droopy. The sleeves here are not fitted at the arms. I just really don't like it, and I don't like the material. And the neck is just kind of off. So unfortunately I don't like the dress. It is a cute cut, but I don't like it at all, so no. But I do want to show you the earrings that I got. These are cute, and they're not heavy at all. They're actually really, really light. So that is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I am gonna get a few more things for the holiday season, so I hope you stay tuned for those videos. And be sure to like this video if you liked it, of course, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and affordable beauty tutorials. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.